Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe from Sri Lanka. It's a chicken curry, which is also known as the kukul mas curry. I have a kilo of chicken over here and we're going to marinate it with a few spices. Let's add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander seed powder. Here I have the Sri Lankan Curry Powder, which we are going to put about 2 tablespoons in this. The recipe of this is going to be given in the description. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of paprika powder. The paprika powder basically is slightly sweetish and it also gives an amazing color to the curry. And finally some salt. So I'm going to massage the chicken generously with all these spices and I'm going to just let it marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let me keep this aside and then we'll move on with making the curry. For the curry, I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any other vegetable oil as well. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon, 5 cloves and 5 green cardamoms. The spices have released an amazing aroma. I'm going to add 1 onion which I've finely chopped and I'm going to saute it till it's a nice golden brown. We've got a nice golden color on the onions. Let's add finely chopped 1-inch ginger, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic that are finely chopped and 3 green chilies finely chopped, and just saute it for a minute till the raw smell goes off. Now I'm going to add 7 to 8 curry leaves, some lemongrass. The lemongrass will give an amazing flavor to the kukul mas curry. I've sauteed this for about 30 seconds and now I'm going to add 1 tomato, a large tomato that I have finely chopped. And I'm going to saute this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. The tomatoes have gone nice and soft. Now let's add the marinated chicken and saute for good 5 minutes. I've sauteed the chicken for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. And now I'm going to add half a cup of water. We've already added salt in the marination, but if you feel you need to adjust the salt, you can do it at this stage. We'd kept the curry to cook for 20 minutes with the chicken. Let's see if the chicken is done. It's cooked beautifully. It's released an amazing aroma. I'm sure the flavor is also going to be really nice. Let's remove this in a serving bowl. You can have it with a malbari paratha or you can have it with neer dosa, anything of your choice, or even steamed rice. So do try this recipe and let me know.